Alright, we are right here in Port Harcourt and we are about to start our solar installation for this edition, April edition. Okay, men are at work. We are sorting out our materials. Okay, I will show you the panels quickly. Okay. Alright, so our panels have been offloaded from the vehicle. As you can see, men are at work. So we have a lot of panels inside the vehicle. Well done, guys. So that's our panels inside the vehicle. They are all our panels. Okay, already we have some of these panels here. We have some of the panels here. Okay, in total we have 72 panels for this project. We have 72 panels for this project. This project is fully financed by our partner financing company, Rolling. We are Ecosoft System Technology Limited. Call us anytime 070-312-41590. 070-312-41590, and we promise to give you the best of service. We will finance your project from start to finish. Any capacity, any quantity, no matter how big your project is, we will finance it. Your solar project and ensure you have standard, comprehensive solar system, and we give you full option warranty. NEPA cannot spoil your project, thunder cannot spoil your project, generator cannot spoil your project, even human user cannot spoil your project. Meaning, if anyone logs anything that will spoil your project, we will take responsibility. That is the design we give to our customers. Alright, so call us anytime. We are your best assurance plug for high quality solar projects. I'm Blessed Namechi. We'll keep you posted as we proceed with this project. Thank you. Alright, so these are the panels that we are installing at this Orazi shop. These are 550 watts solar panels. Okay, we are installing it at this bed shop. Men are at work. So men are at work, and we are carrying out this installation. Batteries are over there. We are preparing installation of the panels. Call us anytime 070-312-41590. 070-312-41590. I will promise to give you the best of solar service. Alright, so this is the panels. It's about to be moved up. Alright, it's being moved up. Men are at work. We are still at origin. We are moving these panels up. Alright. Men are fully kitted with harness, safety helmets, uniforms, and everything. We are Ecosoft System Technology Limited. Call us anytime 070-312-41590. 070-312-41590. I promise to give you the best. We are your best option for high quality solar installation. I'm Blessed Namechi. We are still at Horizon, Ebony Road, Horizon, Port Harcourt. Call us anytime for your solar installation. And also, if money is the problem, okay, then you don't have any problem. We don't see any reason why you shouldn't use solar. If money is the problem, then you don't have any problem. We will finance your project and you can pay in installments, 12 months or 24 months, depending on your choice. Okay, and have your solar working straight. Call us anytime 070-312-41590. I'm coming to give you the best. Keep you updated at this project. Thank you. Alright, men are at work at Horizon Ebony Road. Okay, we are working at this pet shop. Alright, for clients, master point. We are mounting this side of the roof. We are putting 6 panels here. Okay, this is 4 panels right now on this side of the roof. And the other side of the roof will be another 6 panels to make it a total of 12 panels. Okay, work is still in progress. We are Ecosoft System Technology Limited. Call us anytime 070-3124-1590. 070-3124-1590. I'm Let Namichi. So this is the wire. They're fitting it. This is the thickness of the wire. You see how thick the wire is. So, like 4 guys, I have to working on it to get the wire properly. This is what we are using for you, sir. Your shop. Alright, men are still at work at Auras in Port Harcourt. Okay, this is a Bet Naija shop. We are mounting 12 units of 550 watt panels. Okay, we mounted 6 on this side and then 6 on the other side. Men are fully kitted. Okay, we are at the final stage of this job. After this, we do the thunder arrestor and then do finishing connections up. Alright, after this side, we move to the next side. We have about 6 sides. Alright, guys, say hi.
Hi.
Alright, thank you. Have a good day. How's the work going, guys?
Very fine.
Alright. We have some guys down. Hope you can see them. That's some of our guys down as well. Alright, we're mounting this banner for this customer at Aurazin and at work. Alright, so that's the work in progress. We just mounted the panels. The work is still in progress, okay? Call us anytime, 070-3124-1590. 070-3124-1590. Alright, we are done with this project at Aurazin for a Bet Naija agent. Okay, the system is perfectly working well. Right now there's NEPA and it's charging the system, it's charging the batteries. Okay, powered by Ecosoft System Technology Limited. Now your storage plug hybrid solar system. Okay, this is system fully functional. Men are getting set to move to the next site. Alright, I'm Let Namichi. You can call us anytime 070-3124-1590. 070-3124-1590. We are your surest plug to high quality solar projects. Ecosoft System Technology Limited, we promise you high quality solar projects. If you don't have the money, it's no problem. We will finance your project and you can pay in 12 months or 24 months. Give us a call. Alright, right now we are moving to the next project. Thank you. Okay, right now you can see if I just put the lights while I'm recording and the system automatically switches to battery. Alright.